it is now, I think, no use to respond to such allegation made, which is totally baseless. That's what I'm telling you. So the democracy that we have in India is what? Baseless allegation can be made anytime, any day, any moment. But let me just reiterate one thing. Any allegation made, please substantiate it. The law of the land is prevailing. Be it chief minister, be it deputy chief minister, be it ministers, or be it anybody. The law of the land prevails. So therefore, just reacting the allegation made, I think I don't want to make any reaction on this, because today if I say something, tomorrow again they may say, any party they can again come back saying this. I think we don't have much time. Let, as I said to you, the people of the state judge whether the allegation made is correct or not.
Not only the Congress, but the AITC.
Relating casino, I think our chief minister has already made a very clear statement inside the house. You need to understand one thing: anything which is given inside the house, that is official and nobody can challenge. So that day our honorable chief minister has already said, casino, it will die by its natural death. I think on the 28th or 29th, that provisional license issued will expire. That also he made a statement. So as far as casino is concerned, it is dying on its own. Number two, you talking about the second point is you talking about redoing or revisiting the MOU. Let the people of the state understand one thing. If TMC, if they are to elect the TMC party to rule the state, means TMC wanted to make sure that the word status quo remains till the end of the world. So let the people ask question to TMC: is it the way of your redoing thing about the issue of boundary? Are you trying to say that you want to create confusion till the end of the world about the residents of both Meghalaya and Assam? So that is my question to TMC. If they want to redo or to revisit the MOU, I'm telling you, let the people think 100 times before they elect the so-called ITMC.
Sir, coming to Meghalaya,